Hello, everybody. It's me, Bobby Bug. I'm here today to say hello to you and teach you some art. Today you're going to make a little bug puppet like me, Bobby Bug, but you can call me whatever you want. How are you going to do it? Well, let's call our good friend, Mr. Rogers. Hi, everybody. Here I am. I'm hiding underneath this table and I'm in my classroom. And today, what we're going to do is just like our bug puppet said, we're going to make a bug puppet. And you're going to do it at home with the stuff that you have at home. I'm going to show you what you're going to need. I'm doing it in the classroom, and it's kind of dark and grainy in here because I'm using our overhead projector so you can kind of see what's happening as I'm doing it. Okay, so you can see back there with that. All right, let me move myself over. All right, here we go. Today what you're going to need for this is you're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need the paper bag that I put inside your bag before we left. You're going to use some crayons, or if you have markers, like I do, you can use your markers, crayons, or markers. You're going to need some glue, and you're going to need some colored paper. Now remember, I told you last week, or other times, if you don't have the colored paper, don't worry about it. Use white paper and use your crayons to color it. So let's see if you can follow along what you're going to do. You're going to need, because we know that bugs or insects have 6 legs, and so you're going to need 6 strips of paper. I have 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. And what I'm going to do, show you, I kind of already cut them. I'm going to cut them in half this way, like this. See if you can see what I'm doing there. I'm cutting them along like that, and so my 3 are now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 pieces of paper. Okay? I'm going to put those to the side because I don't need those right now. And I'm also going to need 2 other pieces of paper. And I think for this bug, I'm going to use some orange. You can use whatever color. This is going to be for our insect's antenna. So there's 1. Watch how I'm cutting that down for you. 1. And then here's my other one. Just like that. 2 pieces of paper. So I'm going to put that to the side. And now it's time to do our insect puppet. Here's my paper bag right here, and you can see it on the screen right behind me on our overhead projector right here. Okay? And I'm going to make some eyes. And so I think I'm going to make some blue eyes for my insect. And I'm going to make just 2 circles here. 1, 2 circles. And then I'm going to remember that technique that I learned last week, that I'm going to leave a little bit of color there, opening there, and maybe I'll even add a little dot in there of black. That, oh, I don't know if you can see that, but that looks pretty good to me. All right, maybe you want to put some eyelashes on yours. Maybe, and you know what? Maybe I'll do that too. Maybe I'll put some eyelashes on my little puppet here, but you don't have to do that. But I'm going to put some eyelashes on this one. And now I'm going to make the mouth. I'm going to start at the mouth, and I'll use a black marker or a black crayon for that. I'm going to start on where the part of this that folds. See how it opens up right there? You're going to start up above it, and you're going to come down all the way down there, like that. And I'm also going to put a funny little proboscis or nose for it that goes like this. Just a little nose, like that. And I'm going to put some red for the inside of the mouth, like it's the tongue. I'm going to start at the bottom of that fold, but I'm going to open that up and make that a little bit bigger so it looks like it has a longer tongue. There's my face of my puppet. Now you can also do some stripes on it. So I am going to do some stripes, and let me get my green marker, and I'm going to put some stripes on this puppet like this. But you can go any way you want. Right? Maybe it is one color and you want to add a second color. I will add some orange to that. Give it a couple different colors. And your stripes can go any way, or you don't have to put stripes on them at all. Okay, now it's time for the legs. Remember we made these legs? I have some green legs, and insects have green legs. Remember I cut these strips here, and I cut them into 6? Well, I'm going to make my legs so that they're a little bit uh, jiggly. And so I'm going to show you here. I'm going to take my legs, and I'm doing them all together so I can kind of do it fast, but you don't have to. You can do one at a time. And I'm going to just fold it down and then fold it back. And then fold it down and then fold it back. And then fold it down and fold it back. And it looks like I have a stack right here, just like that. Okay? And actually, when I open it, you can see that my legs are now all bent all over the place. Okay? So let's get back to the puppet here, because what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some glue on the front part of the legs right here. 1, 2, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3 on each side. And I'm going to take my legs and just press it down onto my puppet here. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side and give it 3 legs on one side, 3 legs on the other side. Can you see what I'm doing there with my puppet? And now my puppet has 3 legs. If I put, hey, look at that already. If I put 2 more legs, one on each side, it could be a spider, because spiders have 8 legs and insects have 6. Okay, something else is missing from my puppet, and that is antenna. And I have the other 2 pieces of paper there. So watch what I do with my antenna. I'm going to take a pencil, or I can take a marker or anything that's round, and I'm going to roll it. Roll, 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 roll. Roll the paper around it like that around my pencil. You see what I'm doing there? So it's wrapped up around it, and then I'm going to pull it off. And now my paper's curled, so my antennas will be curled also. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to take some glue, put it at the top of my antenna, maybe here. Maybe it might have been fun to put it on the side, but I already put my glue down there. Maybe it would have been fun to put it on the side. I'm going to put that at the top of my puppet there. And now, ta-da, I have a new insect puppet. Hi guys! Why don't you tell me a good name for me? Why don't you guys make up a good name, and today at the dance party you can tell me what I should call this puppet. You know what? I didn't think about it, but I could actually add some wings to the back of my puppet, because most insects have wings. I could certainly do that. I'm anxious to see, or eager to see, what kind of puppets you guys come up with. I'll see them today at the dance party, and also whatever you post on Google Classroom. Hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you guys this afternoon.